This little corner used to be completely empty, an awkward half-octagon bay window space that didn't really serve a purpose. But it's also the brightest spot in the room, and I kept thinking this space should do something. My wife came up with this brilliant plan of having a custom bay window bench in that space, made from hardwood, designed to fit this exact shape. Now, I'll be honest, this is my first proper woodworking project. And before I started, I got a quote from a professional. 1,500 pounds. That's when I thought, surely I can try building it myself. The biggest challenge was the shape. This isn't a straight wall, it's a half octagon with multiple angles that had to line up perfectly with the window frame. Since I don't have footage of the build process, imagine a lot of measuring, remeasuring, and hoping the angles actually worked. Inside, I built 2 storage cabinets with hinges. Functionality was important. This isn't just a bench, it's storage for toys, blankets, and all the random things that usually clutter the living room. And now, this space actually works for us. One of my favorite details is the azulejo tiles. We bought these during a holiday in Portugal. They're traditional ceramic tiles, handmade, beautiful patterns, lots of character. I etched and fitted them later myself, and honestly, the finish isn't perfect. It's not super neat, but I kind of like that it feels handmade. This is now the brightest spot in the room. The kids spend so much time here, reading, playing, just sitting in the sunlight. And that's exactly what I wanted, to turn unused space into something functional and lived in. Now, let's talk honestly. It's bulky. I probably could have used lighter material. The finish isn't professional. There are edges I'd refine. The cabinet design could be improved, and I'm considering adding a proper backrest. But for a first project, I'm proud of it. Here's the part that makes it worth it. The total cost, 180 pounds for the wood, 80 pounds for tools, circular saw, sandpaper, varnish, so around 260 pounds total, compared to 1,500 pounds. Not bad for a first attempt. It's not perfect, but it's functional, can be moved around to make tidying up easy. It's personal, and it completely changed this room. If you're thinking about building something custom, even if it's your first project, just start. You might surprise yourself.